The Nongkhlaw clan held its 6th annual assembly recently at Umphyrnai village, drawing hundreds of members to discuss key issues concerning their cultural heritage and ancestral rights. The gathering featured prominent dignitaries from the Synjuk Rangbah Hynñiewtrep, including its president R.L. Kharpran, spokesperson Erwin K. Syiem Sutnga, and organizing secretary Raphael Warjri. A major point of discussion centered on the preservation of the Khasi matrilineal system and concerns over external patriarchal influences that could undermine the community's traditional social structure. Speakers emphasized the need to safeguard this cultural identity against encroachment. One of the Assembly's key resolutions was the demand for the rightful claim of the Nongkhlaw clan over prime land in Shillong, including the Meghalaya Secretariat Hill, the Raj Bhavan, and several sites currently occupied by government offices. Erwin K. Syiem Sutnga and Nongkhlaw presented legal documentation supporting the clan's claim, highlighting alleged historical discrimination in property rights.
Mi nagakur Nongkhlaw nagikpo kini kibasanya kakur pada kasanya kasnong gathaw kasanya kayit kihima kisanya kajai menteri ngadon kajing sko kabakam janya pi namar kum kakur kajongi Syiem Sutnga ngasim bagakur Nongkhlaw kadai kawai kakur kabasya lebe kamtam kumbaong iba Raphael Warjri hakakilaw siya darbikanya hima jantia kadai kabak hantam hagi pormuchwa ya ka arlak kror tam kapisa kabagi kini nang inado khapraspa lai pusan bar kibai kibenta kiba kongsan ban ra biang ni kaburam jom kakur bar kaburam jom hima kabala yak.
The organizing secretary of the Synjuk, Raphael Warjri, in his address underscored the importance of Khasi matrilineal lineage, referencing his recent publications on the subject.
Tehakani ka kot ke jongaru ngala simlang daki jongki pat ye ki badang sa ki bampat dan ban kentu bang turu ngala simbat ngala bu langkat bang ngala bentim bi lesi ki nang don ki ba kempat don ru ngindang yawat ngindang etwet bagi satengwi bat lagi senang di banwan te ke bang kwa ban kren kini por kolong ba ka ridi hengkur heng kha khasi ya bela tho ani kot kolong ka ba kentang du kata-kata kapa lesi hakajing perkhat dong asimet masngo ba ka persi berkoi ke di benbur na perkesannya kini na kapor sekapor haki lumpung di baper.
Meanwhile, the president of the Synjuk, R.L. Kharpran, raised concerns over what he described as unlawful encroachment by non-Khasi communities, warning of its impact on the indigenous population. The assembly concluded with a call for legal and administrative recognition of the clan's ancestral land rights, as well as measures to strengthen traditional governance systems in the face of modern challenges.